Okay guys, we're gonna start working on Latin and Greek roots. And what you need is a piece of paper. This is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. You can use a smaller piece of paper. For example, you could fold this in half and then cut it so that you have two. And then what you're going to do is you're gonna fold it. Now, if you don't have white paper at home, that's fine. Use colored paper, use whatever's convenient for you. But then what I want you to do is fold the paper in half like this. Fold the paper again in half like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the corner and you're basically going to make a right angle like this. Okay, it's about halfway. These should be about equal. Okay, all right, and then you're going to open it up and you're going to take the root of the day. What you're going to do is you're going to write the root in the center diamond there. So for example, if the root is mauve, mob, sometimes there'll be more than one because it's they're related to each other, right? So let's say that this is your root. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look it up and you are going to write up here what it means and the origin of it. So these are all Latin or Greek. So this is a Latin root that means move. Okay, feel free to make this as pretty as you want it to be. You can draw in some lines to make it nice and distinct, like so. If this helps. Oops, sorry. Trying to hold this down and do this at the same time. There we go. Okay, so this is a Latin root that means move. You're going to write examples in this box right here. So, for example, words like movement, motor, mobility, movie, even the word mob, which means like an agitated crowd, a moving crowd. And up here you're going to do an example, or sorry, you're going to do an image up here. So who knows, pick whatever you want. And again, I'm a word person, not an artistic person. And it's especially hard when I can't hold down the paper. But let's say that you wanted to draw a picture. Here's the tailpipe. Here's some exhaust. They really need to get to their mechanic. And here is the motor of the car. Whatever helps you remember. Now down in this corner, it's going to be a little bit different. It's you're going to do non-examples. So over here you have examples, and over here you have non-examples. This is a little bit harder, but try and come up with at least one or two words that use these letters, but that's not the root of the word. So for example, the word smote, S-M-O-T-E. That's the past tense of smite, an entirely different word. And now they have these things called MOBAs, right? Those are multiplayer online battle arenas. And that has nothing to do with this root. It is just an acronym, but now that people use it as a word. So this is what your assignment will look like. Feel free to add color, make it beautiful if you want to. It is for you to remember and for you to help you learn these roots. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture of it and you're going to attach it to the Google Classroom assignment. And there you go. That's it. If you don't have the technology to take a picture of it and attach it, please let me know and I will send you a Google form. Okay, bye.